Welcome to Kai Digital Media, where we empower creators. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to import media using Premiere Pro. The first way you can import media is by going to File, and this can be done on PC or Mac. In this case, of course, I'm doing it on PC, but then you go all the way down to Import. Then you just find where your media is at. In this case, I have it in my desktop, and then I just open, and then boom, there it is right there. Another way you can do it is either press Control I for PC or Command I for Mac. And once you do that, the same thing will pop up. Your File Explorer will pop up, find where that video or piece of media is located, and then click it and then press Open. The third way you can import media is by going to your File Explorer or Finder and then just find where you have the media at. Once again, in this case, I have it in my desktop, and then you can just take it and drop it into Premiere Pro. And there it is. Those are the three ways that you can import media.